What's up, it's Ayiana Maria, and I am back. Yes, I am back with another guitar lesson. So today we're going to be learning how to play Nothing Feels Better by Pink Sweats. Let's get right into it. Before we get started, if you would like a more in-depth lesson, including the chord charts and lyrics, and if you would like backing tracks and everything for all of these songs, please be sure to check out my Patreon, which is linked down below. Alright, let's get into the video. Alright, so the chords that you need to know for this song are D major 7, we have G major 7, and then we have G minor. Alright, so for the D major 7, you're on the 5th fret and you're barring it from the 5th string up. Of course, you can always just put your whole finger across the whole fret if you want. And then you're going to have your 2nd finger on the 6th fret on the 3rd string. You're going to have your 3rd finger on the 7th fret on the 4th string, and then your 4th finger is going to be on the 2nd string. So the strumming pattern, you pretty much are using your thumb to hit the root note, which is the D, which is the 5th string. And then you use your 1st, 2nd, and 3rd fingers. Use your 1st, 2nd, and 3rd fingers for the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th strings, and then your thumbs on the 5th string. So then for the G major 7, you're on the 3rd fret. 1st finger's on the 6th string of the 3rd fret. Your 2nd finger's on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. And you have your 3rd finger on the 4th string, and then your 4th finger right below that on the 3rd string. It's the same plucking pattern. You just move your thumb to the 6th string because that's where the root note G is of the chord that we're playing. Alright, and we're not hitting that 5th string at all. It's muted. I'm using my 1st finger to mute the 5th string over here. With the G minor, you're barring the 3rd fret, and then your 3rd and 4th fingers on the 5th and the 4th strings on the 5th fret. So in terms of the plucking pattern, you're really just you're not using your 4th finger at all. It's all your thumb, 1st and 2nd and 3rd fingers. So your thumb's always going to be plucking the root note. So for the D major, we have the 5th string, and for the G major 7, we got 6th string, and also for the G minor, we have the 6th string. So you already know where your thumb's going to be. And I'm using my 1st, 3rd, and 1st, 2nd, and 3rd fingers to pluck the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th strings here for the D major 7. Alright, and then for this chord, of course, my thumb moves to the 6th string. Alright. That is how you play Nothing Feels Better by Pink Sweats. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see more videos like this, and if you learned a lot from this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And also, if you would like to see these videos more in depth, including chord charts and lyrics and all that stuff, check out my Patreon. The link is below. You also get backing tracks of all the songs that are on my YouTube so that you can use it for any purpose that you need it for. You can use it to perform on stage. You need a backing track for that. You can use it to practice along with, anything that you need. So make sure to check out my Patreon, which is linked below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Peace out.